Rise and shine. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's time for our first week of online learning. Yay! All right, two things before we get started and I talk about physical science and what you guys are going to be doing. Number one, understand that I know this sucks and I would rather actually be teaching you guys this more in person. I miss talking to you guys, seeing how you guys are doing, having conversations with you guys. I've said many times that's the best part about teaching. Number two, make a plan. All right. So hopefully this is Monday and you're sitting down, getting ready to work. I would spend the first 40 minutes going through all of your classes and making a master list of all the things that need to get done and spread it out over that 5 days. You can, and I recommend doing a little bit of each subject every day. And you can do it a couple different ways. You can literally say, all right, I'm going to do these 2 assignments on math and these 2 assignments in English and these 2 assignments in history and this one assignment in science on Monday. And then I'm going to do these specific assignments on Tuesday, Wednesday, so on and so forth. Or you can just do it by time. Like if that makes it a little bit easier, set your stopwatch for 45 minutes and, work on a subject for 45 minutes. Give yourself literally set a timer for 15 minutes, give yourself a break, and then go on to the next subject. And you're saying I'm working from 10 to 2, kind of going in that pattern. The only problem with doing the time is if you don't get everything done, Friday might be a little busier, but if that helps you be a little bit more organized. Either way, do not just try and do all one subject Monday, all one subject. You're gonna be mad at yourself. Spread it out. You're gonna burn yourself out if you just do it all in one day. All right, spread it out. Make yourself a plan. Take the time now, and you'll be thankful later. All right. So let's talk a little bit about physical science, what you guys are going to be doing. For physical science, we are going to be starting waves. All right. The transmission of energy from one place to another. All right. So first things first, this is what it looks like on your guys' page because my Schoology looks different. So you're going to have the waves unit folder, which is going to have actually all the assignments, but all those assignments are including a textbook. All right, I have a copy of the textbook here, some PDF pages. Now it is actually the teacher's edition, but that's fine. I don't care. But it will give some reading as a support on there. Has all the things you guys are going to be doing, which you would also find on the assignment list. Very similar to how I set it up last week when we were in class. So you click on the assignment list, and here is your list of things to do for this week. Now I know it seems very daunting, very big list, but understand some of the things are very simple, and some of them will take 5-10 minutes. It's just I wanted to break down everything for you. All right. You're going to be doing things as simple as looking up some taking notes in your vocabulary. You're going to be doing an online lab, and you can click on these actual things to get to the more details, or these ones have more details about what the lab is about. Click on anything that has a link to it. Click on it. All right, you're going to be submitting your conclusions. Just make sure you take your time. Times where you're going to need your handy dandy notebooks. You're going to be one thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be signing up for something called Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle, I don't know if any other teachers have used it. Some of my colleagues have in the science department. It's basically a way to ask questions during videos instead of me showing a video and then talking about it because I can't be there in front of you while you're watching it. It just has a couple clarifying questions and statements and stuff like that to help you think through it. Again, I will admit this first week has been you're going to be seeing a lot of my face. I made a handful of videos because a lot of this stuff was very direct, and I'm still trying to figure out, like a lot of your teachers, the best way to do this stuff. It's hard. We're trying to figure it out. So as I'm trying out some stuff, like this one's going to be pretty direct. You're going to be taking, some Schoology practices. You're going to be taking 2 different quizzes, online quizzes. These are going to be closed notes. So make sure when you are ready, close your notebook, set it aside, go to the Schoology and click on the quiz. All right. Let's see. And then at the very end of the week, you're going to be taking a survey. I have to put that link in there right now, but you're going to be taking the survey. All right. Now the survey, I want you to do it at the end of the week, even I don't recommend it, but if you decide to do all your science by the end of Tuesday, I still want you to take it when you're done with your week's worth of stuff, because I want to see how you're doing altogether. There's some questions about my class and there's some just about online learning. The more you can give us in feedback, the more we can figure this out. I don't get to talk to you every day and sit down and just say, like, how are things? Like, what's this about this? Which I've done to several of you guys. I've just literally sat down next to you and asked you questions. I don't get to do that. This is the best thing I can do to do that. So please give me honest feedback and full feedback. I mean, yes and no answers are nice, but they don't give me something to work with, really. So the best you can do on that. All right. Make a plan, lay it out. Just do your very best. That's all you can do is your very best. Right? No one can ask for more. If you give it your very best, you'll do great. Otherwise, good luck and may the science be with you.